Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best F-150 headlights is probably one of the most important upgrades you can make to your truck, not only for improved visibility and safety but also for enhancing its overall appearance. Whether you're looking to replace old, dim headlights or upgrade to something more modern and stylish, the right set of headlights can make a significant difference in your driving experience, especially during those late-night drives or in adverse weather conditions. Number 5. VLAND LED headlights for Ford F-150 2015 to 2017. These headlights are designed as a direct replacement for your factory headlamps. Installation is easy with a simple plug-and-play operation, requiring no vehicle modifications. It's a perfect fit for your Ford F-150. Please keep all the original packaging and manuals. If you encounter any issues, contact us with proof of the problem. We're here to help resolve any defects or damages. Experience the dynamic animation when you lock or unlock your vehicle. This modern feature uses a choreographed light sequence. It adds a touch of elegance and makes your vehicle stand out. These headlight assemblies are built to withstand harsh weather conditions. They are completely sealed to prevent moisture and dust from entering. This ensures durability and longevity. These headlights meet and exceed DOT regulations and are compliant with FMVSS 108. They've been thoroughly tested to meet federal quality and international standards, making them fully street legal. Here's the part interchange information for both the left and right sides. You can use these numbers to ensure you get the correct replacement parts for your vehicle. What we like. These headlights feature a dynamic animation DRL that adds a touch of elegance to your vehicle. They are also built to withstand harsh weather conditions, ensuring longevity. If you are looking for a head-turning upgrade with reliable performance, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Great lights, very easy install, plug and play. These have a much better beam pattern on the road and a higher light output. Install is very easy. It took me about 30 minutes each side to do a complete install. The lights themselves are really bright. Number 4. VLAND headlight for 2015 to 2017 Ford F-150. Are you looking to enhance your Ford F-150's appearance and safety? These VLAND headlights are designed specifically for the 2015 to 2017 models. They offer a significant upgrade over your factory halogen lights. This headlight features a dynamic startup animation and utilizes LED technology. The high and low beams, along with the daytime running lights and turn signals, are all LED. This provides brighter and more efficient illumination. Designed for perfect fit on your F-150, XL, XLT, Lariat, King Ranch, with factory halogen. The package includes everything you need for installation, and it's plug and play. No splicing is required, making the process straightforward. Experience safer driving with improved visibility at night. These headlights not only enhance safety but also give your truck a unique and stylish look. It's a game changer for your vehicle's appearance. These headlights are built with high-quality materials and are fully sealed to be waterproof, dustproof, and corrosion-resistant. They come with a 1-year warranty, ensuring your satisfaction and peace of mind. They are also DOT and SAE certified. What we like. These headlights offer a cool startup animation and are designed for easy plug-and-play installation. They also come with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. If you value both style and convenience, you should definitely consider these. What people say. Easy process to get them installed, perfect fit. Got the DRL matched up easily with the grille lights. LEDs are included in low and high beams, will update, but stated for 10,000 run hours. Great lookalike to the Raptor headlights. The quality and light output is fantastic. Very bright upgrade. The amber DRLs are a nice touch. The install was very simple. I used Fuse 108 for reference in a 2017 F-150. The built-in LED bulbs are extremely bright and have a great throw. 100% worth the upgrade from the factory halogen headlights. Number 3. Morimoto XB LED headlights for Ford F-150 2015 to 2017. Introducing the Morimoto XB LED headlights, designed specifically for your Ford F-150 from 2015 to 2017. These headlights are a game changer, offering superior performance and style. The new setup utilizes all 4 projectors for the low beam and has a dual bi-LED setup for the high beam. The result is a significant increase in light output, providing better visibility on the road. The headlights feature a cool startup sequence. When the daytime running light kicks on, the projectors illuminate in a 2-stage sequence before turning back off. It's a cool feature that adds to the overall appeal. These headlights meet and exceed all SAE, DOT, and FMVSS 108 regulations. The integrated vertical and lateral adjusters make it easy to aim them properly, ensuring optimal performance and safety. Installation is a breeze with the plug-and-play design. They plug directly into your factory connectors without any modifications. You won't have to worry about error codes, flickering, or radio interference. The LED daytime running light is powered by Osram 5000K LEDs and is insanely bright. You can set up these Ford XB LED headlights to run as sequential or solid signals according to your preference. These headlights come with a 5-year warranty, ensuring your peace of mind. Please note that the warranty is void if the housings are opened or modified. What we like. These headlights boast a significant increase in light output, improving visibility. They also feature a unique startup sequence that adds a touch of flair. If you prioritize superior lighting performance and a head-turning design, then these are the ones for you. What people say. They have amazing lighting, look amazing, and are easy to adjust. Installation isn't too bad if you have some skills. Number 2. AnzoUSA 111357 Headlight Assembly. Introducing the AnzoUSA 111357 Headlight Assembly. This headlight assembly is designed to enhance your vehicle's appearance and performance. It features a clear lens and black housing, providing a sleek and modern look. The design ensures optimal light output and visibility. The amber reflector adds a touch of style while also improving safety. It helps to make your vehicle more visible to others on the road. Equipped with projector lenses and halogen bulbs, it delivers a focused and bright beam. This improves nighttime driving visibility. Installation is simple, as no modifications are required. You can easily upgrade your vehicle's headlights without any hassle. What we like. These headlights feature a classic clear lens and black housing design with an amber reflector. They require no modifications for installation. If you are looking for a simple, straightforward upgrade, then you should consider these. What people say. The headlights are a direct fit and look great. The installation was easy and took about 30 minutes. The new headlights are much brighter than the old ones. Number 1. AmeriLite Ford F150 Pickup LED Headlights. Upgrade your 2015 to 2017 Ford F150 with these AmeriLite headlights. They are designed to enhance both the look and safety of your truck. These headlights are specifically designed for the 2015, 2016, and 2017 Ford F150 models. This set includes both the driver and passenger side lights. Installation is a breeze with the direct OEM replacement design. You won't need to make any modifications to install it. The headlights meet or exceed DOT and SAE standards, ensuring they are safe and reliable. You can trust the quality and performance of the product. This is a new aftermarket part and comes as a complete set. It includes both the left and right side headlights, ready for installation. What we like. These headlights are a direct OEM replacement, ensuring a perfect fit. They include an LED tube parking light bar for enhanced visibility and style. If you want a simple and compliant upgrade, these are a great choice. What people say. These headlights are aggressive looking. Took about 1 hour 15 minutes to install. The DRL are extremely bright and head-turning. I've waited to write my review. I've now had this lights on my truck for 2 years with no issues. Highly recommend. Headlights looks great, bulbs aren't the brightest, so I will eventually upgrade to a good quality LED for both high and low beam. They fit really well compared to other headlight brands I've seen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.